Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are fine and safe at your homes. So today I'm going to teach you all how to make a flower using a plastic cover. So let's get started. So here I have taken in rectangle shape of a plastic cover. So here I have taken some 6 layers of paper and yeah. So first thing we're going to do with this is just take it like this, fold it upside down here and then here. Yeah, just make it upside down. Out. And now is we are going to staple it in the middle, pin it in the middle. Here. So let's do. Now this you're going to open this and then you'll be having here some layers like this of paper. So just here, for the back is just to make this straight like this and catch it here and then turn. This flower is ready, but if y'all didn't like the shape, y'all can cut it upside down. Let me show you like this up. Or else you can just fold it like this and then cut it. So here is a flower ready. So yeah, so here's a flash ready. So I have here these many flowers. So this is white, and these are the different colors. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye bye. If you liked it, please like, share and comment.